If Lightforce gets one more of these comments, I'm going to scream. Aotearoa just had arguably one of the worst summers of its entire life. Overcast weather, wind, wet, literal cyclones, right? Yet we've still got happy customers as a solar energy installation company. How? Because overcast weather does not affect your solar as much as you may think it will. Solar still has 30 to 40% performance during overcast weather. Why is that? Because in overcast weather, the only thing between your panels and the sun are clouds. Clouds, come on, we're not too scared of clouds, right? Especially here in New Zealand. And 30 to 40% of performance is still going to cover those things like your TV, your lights, your fridge, your freezer, all the basics, right? You don't need to be stressed about that. The only thing that we get stressed about are solid objects, things like trees, pipes on your roof, maybe Sky TV, because why are you still watching Sky? Why do you still have a Sky dish? Those solid objects are going to get in between your panels and the sun. Clouds? Whatever. So